Good morning, my dear friends. A normal person prays to God, don't give me problems. But a great person prays to God, give me the power to face my problems. Don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. The difference between school and life. In school, you are taught a lesson and then given a test. In life, you are given a test that teaches you a lesson. Thank you, my dear friends. Have a wonderful day.